Hello student, in the last class we discussed how to log in on Coohom. We discussed about interface of Coohom. I taught you how to create a room and add door and wall on it. Let's start our next class. Student, in last class we create a room without measurement, but in this class we will create a room with measurement. So I'm going to delete this room. Just select and delete and press OK. Okay, now I'm going to draw again this wall. Click on this wall and click anywhere on working area. If you want to create a wall with 12 feet, press 12 and feet and press enter. I want 12 15 feet. Now I want 12 feet again, and now I want to complete this room. You can see this is my room. Now I want to put a single door. You can put a single door anywhere. You can change the door opening. If you want to put a window anywhere in this room, I can put the window in this room. I can change the length. If you want to put a furniture on this room, you have to click on public library. You can find there is a lots of option of furniture. You can find construction, you can find lighting, furniture, kitchen, bathroom. Now I want to create a drawing room. I want to put a sofa. Then I click on sofa and you can see there is a lots of option about sofas. If you want to love seats, you can click on this and now you can put this one. If you want to rotate, and you can move it. If you want to copy the sofa, press Alt and move. When you press Alt and move, sofa will be, when you click OK, easy. If you want to put a sofa table, you can put this, easy. If you want to put a side table on it, and if you want to put a this sofa here also, you can rotate, easy. Student, if you want to change the direction of the sofa, if you want to put this sofa in this side, and if you want to rotate this, you can rotate it. Just select and move. You can select and move anytime. If you want to put a corner table, and if you want to put a plant, I click on search option and type plants. Now you can see there is a lots of option about plants. I want to put this plant here. Now student, if you want to put a TV with TV cabinet, you can search TV. When you search TV, you will find there is a TV cabinet also. Now I want to put a TV cabinet. I click on TV cabinet and put it in. Now student, if you want to search a television, you have to type television, and there is you can see there is a lots of option again. I can click on this television and put it on this TV cabinet. When you click on top, you can see a television. If you want to rotate this television, you can rotate it. If you don't want to do this, press undo. If you want to see inside of this room, you have to go on top view, and you can. If you want to change the window size, you can change the length. You can change the height also. If you want to convert it in a long window, you can change the height. You can change the thickness also, like this. Student, now I want to put a curtain in this room. I want to put a painting in this room. Let's see how I put a paintings. Go to home decor, and you can click on frames and pictures. When I click on frame and picture, it will search frame and pictures. You can go on elevation and you can select the wall. Now you can put the pictures like this. I want to see the room. Now you can see the room, how it's looking nice. Now I want to put curtain. Go to floor again, and you can click on this. Now I want to put curtain. Where is curtain? There is curtain. Now I want to put curtain. Click on curtains. You can see there is a lots of option of curtains. Now I select this. Click. Now you can just little bit move this sofa and move it here. Now you want to change the size of sofa. Now you can change it. I want to see. Now I want to move it. You can move it. Easy. Now I want to change the height of this curtain. You can see I am changing the height of curtain. Like this. Student, if you want to change the color of wall, select wall and click on wall editor. Student, now I want to put any color or texture on this wall. You can drag and drop any texture and leave it. Now you can see the texture. If you want to change on texture, now you can change the top left. You can see the top left. I will change horizontal offset. Now you can change horizontal offset. Now, if you want to change vertical offset, if you want to change angle, I change the value 45. You can press 0 also. Student, if you want to put any rugs, you have to drag and drop rugs and put it. And now you can see your room.